Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Kuyou watch to at least 50% and power it on so pairing won't fail. On your phone, install or open the Kuyou Companion app and sign in or create an account. The app handles firmware and settings. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the app has location and notification permissions because the watch uses BLE advertising and system permissions to appear. Once these prerequisites are set, tap the app's Add Device or Pair New to start discovery. Once the app searches, you'll see a list of nearby Kuyou devices. Select the exact model shown on your watch to avoid pairing the wrong one. The app will display a pairing code. Make sure the digits match the watch screen and then confirm on both devices so BLE bonding completes securely. During this phase, allow notification access, contact sync, and background activity when prompted. These permissions enable calls, alerts, and step data to sync reliably. If firmware update is offered, accept it to ensure stability and features. You finish by syncing preferences. Pick watch faces, enable notifications, set alarm and health goals, then wait for full data sync, which can take a few minutes. Test incoming calls, message alerts, step counter, and heart rate readings to confirm two-way communication. Make sure Do Not Disturb modes on phone or watch are off. If pairing fails, reboot both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and clear the app cache or reinstall the companion app. This resolves most BLE cache and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.